Brian, can you do the vlog intro? We're out here chasing storms, chasing wakes. We're gonna wake. No, I can't do the vlog intro. Surfing. We got out here early because it looks like the storm's rolling in. Ready. Oh man, it's starting to pour already. Sarah's in. Here we go. We finally found Sarah and Manatee right over here in the weeds. Are you excited?
See him.
There he is. He's just hanging out, like eating the grass.
Yeah.
More than one, yeah. Yeah, I see him. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, there's a over here. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a few right here.
And there's one over there.
Yeah. Engine's off, so. You want me to lift it? No, that's alright. There's three right here. There's another one way down. There's a whole group. Alright, we're finally just starting to get some rain from this storm coming through. Wind is really picking up and made it a little bit choppy for wake surfing, but we still had a blast. We saw some manatee for Sarah. That was awesome. And we are going to get some tacos. So if you guys are ever in the Stewart, Port Salerno area, you have to check out this taco truck. It's so good, and they're like $2 tacos. May I please have one chicken, one barbacoa, and one shrimp taco? Just got some packages. I'm so pumped. I gotta wait for after work to open these. Black Project, yeah. Whew, friggin' pouring out there. We could go do some kiteboarding, but the kids were coming off the water saying that their feet were getting electrocuted when they were jumping in the air. So, figured that wasn't a very good idea. I guess since we got all this free fresh water, we'll give the boat a little wash down. All right, both boats are washed, and we got some mail to open up. Can you see it? I actually know what this is already, and I'm really super excited. Ooh, look at that. Carbon fiber. These are just in time because we don't get great waves really often in Florida, but tomorrow we're supposed to get a 6 swell, so just in time. This is for Sierra's stand-up paddle surfboard that I get to borrow when she's at work. Wow, it's so light. These things are so light. Oh, I'm so excited. These are the shafts, paddle shafts for paddleboarding, carbon fiber from Black Project. And these are their newest blades, the Surge for paddle surfing and the Hydro for racing. Brett and Sarah are back from the movies, and look what happened. The sun came out.
The sun came out.
It
always comes out eventually.
Some prosciutto, parmesan.
Wow. So I know you guys have missed Sierra, but she's been out of commission for a few days because she had her teeth pulled, but she's coming back tonight. So we'll see her in a little bit. What kind of dessert did you guys get?
Rice pudding.
Rice pudding.
Oh my god. Sierra's gonna be so happy. And we didn't eat all her Girl Scout cookies.
Well, that
Brent
might be
was
an empty
going
box.
to.
Look who's back! Everybody missed you.
How does my face look? You
Now
want to look
that-
at my mouth?
Not as bad as it looked before. And look who else is back.
Jenny!
She's been smelling a little bit lately.